Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, yeah.
Oyo.
Rukwate.
Usukwata.
Hey,
So good day,
hey, how's it?
How very good.
Marasa kana mas.
Ah, there is a transport, there's a motor. Hey, hey, go, bless her more fire.
Bamara kafisa kutaura kana me problem yewe. Kiandri pa gate.
Iwe. Taka iza. Hapana. Ndirasika shamba tabuda unamtamba kushana.
Ahora sika mpango.
Sama.
Aunyari.
Soma ndirasika sobunza na watu muko.
Abagara patrola muno mazebure.
Mane. Ndirasika sama. Tiripa hitwe. Perfecto libengoma. Yes, hapana.
Aba mzari mapina studio kati yapina studio yetu yasitoa wana studio andite.
Man.
Tripa gate andite.
Yeah, man, we are ready to cook the muffin. You know say. We are teamy boy, we send the blessed twins of the twins. No one can contest. Top of the kings, you know say.
Awite.
It's a massive beef. Yeah. We're gonna take off. Yeah, man. Teamy boy, sada teamy boy. Kwa sanga hapa wali slipa na kiti. Jessica emergency. What was about Jessica boys and emergency? Jessica from Mufombi boys emergency. One of my ghetto youth is emergency. Timmy boys and the house emergency. Sagango Matisa boys and emergency. Jessica Mufombi Maguba emergency. Una notina kama emergency. Basi raka sara na jara wesinova wetengo Matisa emergency. Akalele kadi fitness emergency. Timmy boy massive emergency. Wona ana bata mango maka chundi chibata dasika mango matarasa wona ndiri kubata yeri kari fitness mango mandino zimbata boy mango mandite imba hande kunungira mission not competition it's a permission bananga timise tuniti chiroma zeri negu saidu tipodo ase batuni takura wa boy kam kose kwa tasika tu wona nakubata aba uze tasika kwa mango matango yeri kari fitness boys Bobandi chipata wa sauri Simi boy wona mango boy wa uzengoma zangu madata blogo mi ngoma chipata lyrically fitness mango chipata madad freestyle from hotter than fire from double impact outer state out and from it mina neva uze mango maka oi ndasika hapa mfombi ndakabata kapombi ba uze ndine stambo and sitoki yema basi viwase basi masiku wadani say technose ndasika mango wa sasa kwa chama impact pale mic bichun bixo wadani sauta mpako say tawi atose atisiwe nyako say wadani say yetu even cave massive wadani kama nisi wadani say hey we go one nabata we are bad let me say we are bad tell them we are bad the double impact this time we are bad when I'm looking for streets we are looking